Peel's Creations. I'm Pam. How are you all doing today? I am doing my knit crate unboxing. Okay. And I saw this yarn and it was like, oh my goodness, look at this yarn. Oops. Sorry. Look at that. I got 2 hanks of these. Super, super soft. Let's see here. It's called, the colorway is called C. It's 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca. Worsted weight, 150 yards per hank. Super, super soft. Okay. Oh man, maybe a scarf or something. But I'm going to invest in a winder. So yeah. And I was surprised that I got this. It's herbal infusion teas. The envelope it comes in. So it looks like we got mango magic, strawberry sensation, and black currant burst. It's award-winning tea too. I never see tea in their knitcrate boxes before. Cannot wait to try it. It's a nice little envelope, and it talks about the teas. And our family founded Ahmad Tea with a desire to offer our customers exceptional teas and infusion that can be enjoyed every day. That's their story. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. And let's see, kind of patterns. And then I got the pattern book. And let's see here. It's a pretty hat. It's a cable stitch hat. And it talks, and it has a little chart too. And they got some nice patterns in here. And then there's a cable pattern chart, which I'm trying to learn to read charts. So yeah, that. A lot of charts. And then these socks. Aren't those cute? I'd love to make those. So yeah. So that one's called C. Colorway C. Look at this cow. So yeah, anyways. So I thought I'd pop up on here and show you what I got from knitcrate. And in the last video I did a box opening for the swap I did. And also I'll be making this. So looking forward to that. sorry. Put the video out for that. I just got to make some room on my table. Or I may do it downstairs. I'm not sure yet. So, yeah, look forward to that video. And I'm going to get off here and upload this video. You guys have a great day. Be kind to one another.